Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Today, magpadul ita sa camera kaya atong i-review ang napakadaghan gyud na lipis gipadaan ni Miss Diane Cañete.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
So my office mate sent me a lot of lip tints to try out. So thank you so much for that. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to you. But before that, I want to put on some eyeliner first because I look so boring. Let's go ahead and do that now. So guys, nihit kaayo ni Ron ang graph ink liner sa Careline. Nabaw dyan may pangitang Marian ani guys. It wasn't available in Ayala. Luckily, it was available in the new Watsons here in Lapu-Lapu. Yeah, located in Chug Building in Opon Mercado. Ganun. Para medyo animated atong look tonight, guys. Actually, it's New Year's Day and it's 8 o'clock, but I decided to go ahead and vlog the lip tint sent to me by Diane because of course, di pa dapat Pasko and I don't want it to be very delayed. Actually, nahagba ang akong mga series so I have to put it back. I just used electrical tape para ipapilit siya. So let's go ahead and start. I'll be giving a review on this exquisite Velvet Lip Dip by DJ Cosmetics. So, naa sila. Sorry if gitinaan ako kung ba nagikan. Muna siya, guys. And please don't mind my manicure. Daga na kay crack. And I don't have time yet to retouch that. But anyway, this is again exquisite. She sent me 2 lip dips. Velvet lip dips. Gleaming and exquisite. I prepared wipes. Kaya mo nagbay-ubay dyan kung testingan ng gabi una. So, let's try Gleaming. So, mauna siya ang Gleaming. Gleaming for the top lip. Let's try Exquisite on the bottom lip. So, if you can see the difference, it's a bit orangey for Gleaming and it's pinkish red for Exquisite. So, muna siya. Right? So, that is for the Velvet Lip Dip. My preference is, of course, Exquisite, but naunhan ako ni Marian. Hi, Marian! Pag-vlog niya ni ha. So, she recommended that I vlog this with her. And we have a fair skin and morena skin type na comparison, but I think wala pa siyang ligo. So, and I know that she won't want to vlog without taking a bath, so I just vlogged it right away. And there you go. My preference is Exquisite. I don't know the price yet, but I'll indicate it in the description box. Or you can visit the DJ Cosmetics. That's DJ Cosmetics with a double S. Sumpay siya. I'll just type it here below. Right? So, Velvet Lip Dip. Magpapasa taha para we can go ahead and try out the different lip tints. So, she sent me 7 different shades. So, we have 7. Isudan eh. 7 different lip tints. ranging from Sashi, Burgundy, Carrot, Scent Red, Rose, Bubblegum, and Martini. Let's start with Sashi. So, mauni siya guys, ang iyang sudlanan. Right? Sashi. Dire, magbutang ta sa kamot, and then, naagya po tina. So, sorry for that. There. Okay? So, mag-swatch ko. Ato ilaray ang pito, but I'll also put it on my lip one by one. So, Sashi. This is how Sashi looks like on my skin. And this is how it will look like on my lips. Naituko. Alright. So there you go. That is Sashi. That's the color. That's how Sashi looks like on my lips. Thank you. And let's go to color number 2, which is Burgundy. So, papas na po ta. And there you go. Pero na pa siya yung mga remnants. Okay. So, Burgundy is a bit dark. Here. Burgundy. There you go. It's brownish red. Bloody. Like dried blood. Kana siya. So, again, this is Burgundy. And I'm gonna be trying it out on my lips. So on your lips, it won't really seem brownish. There. It's just a bit dark and still has a reddish tint. Reddish hue, like that. So muna siya. Again, this is Burgundy from DJ Cosmetics. This can be used on your cheeks too. So let's try on tint number 3, Carrot. Papas na putla guys. Sige. Swatch on my hand. So, from the name itself, Carrot, it's a bit orangey. So let's go ahead and try it on our lip. Muna siya guys. So nagya po siya reddish na hue, but you can also see orangey touch. Muna siya. And that again is the Carrot. Alright, so pasensya if kayo ko'y pangilay. I still have some hints of the Ipoda brow na microblading. Next, 4th color is Scent Red. Scent Red. And I'll be trying it on my hand. Oh, it's bloody red. Watch guys. So let's go ahead and remove the Carrot from our lip. Bloodshot. I like this one. It's bloodshot red. So if you're looking for the classy kind of red, moni siya guys ang color. Hot red. So the name is Scent Red. Scent Red siya, Scent Red. Right? So number 5 is Rose. So this is how Rose looks like. For me, it's super orangey. This is Rose. Wala ko nag-foundation, guys. I only use the hinatag sa dulcet gani na sunscreen. Nasa na akong ipon. Okay. Alright, let's try on Rose on our lip. Pero guys, I think you should base it on the swatch on my hands because daghan nagsapaw-sapaw na reddish gani siya diri, so I don't really trust what you see on my lips, so it's a lot better if you base it on here. Right? Next again is rose. Yung rose na medyo orangey gud siya, no? So that is the fifth tint. Let's go for the sixth, which is bubblegum. Hailing from the name itself, I think it's really pinkish. Yeah, it is going to be very pinkish. This is bubblegum. This is okay for kids because it's pinkish, not really that red. You know, kids don't really need to wear makeup. But for photo shoots, perhaps it's better for kids to wear the pink shades rather than the red shades. Well, that's just my opinion. Let's go ahead and try bubblegum. Sa akong ngabil. It looks so natural. But then again, daghan na ka nag-shades ng tapok niya. So, I prefer you base it on this bubblegum. And last but not the least, finally we have come to an end. This is the martini. Let's swatch the martini on my hand. So it's also one of the dark colors. This is how the martini looks like. Medyo puwa jud siya. So if you're looking for office na mga tints, you can use scent red and martini. Katong dark kaayo na burgundy is more on party. Alright. So if you're wondering, I'm not really using a ring light. I'm actually using the lamp. A very portable, very lightweight lamp. I have it on my other vlog. I'm not sure if I posted the vlog already. Mona siya. And it's bendable, guys. Nindot ka siya 360 degrees. Grabe. And you can charge it on your power bank. You can bring it anywhere. Super nice, super nice. But it's available in America. I'm not really sure if it's available in Lazada or Shopee, but you can check out my other vlog about that. Without further ado, let's try out the seventh tint, which is the martini. I like how red it is. Alright. So I really love the redness of this martini from DJ Cosmetics na lip and cheek tint, right? So once again, these are the shades that you can choose from sa line of lip tints from DJ Cosmetics. So I'm looking forward to the vlog that Marian will be creating to try out these lip series on a morena skin type. So thank you so much for those who watched this video, and thank you so much, Diane, for sending me these. Merry Christmas and of course a Happy New Year to everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about the lippies that I vlogged today, leave them in the comments below. And if you wish to support my channel, please do tap on that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated of new vlogs, and of course that join button to show more support. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!